Today I am making a herb garden body butter. So it'll have basil, essential oil, geranium, lavender, clary sage, and I might add a little bit of orange in there or something like that. Hey there, Diane from Vermont Lavender, and so I am making this body butter for the summertime, which is really nice because hemp seed oil is very light, it's non-greasy, it really does penetrate the skin. This is really nice for the summertime because it helps to keep, this blend is to help keep insects at bay when you're outside gardening or just having fun going for a walk. This is my batch that I've split off. So this is my seaweed extract. It's from brambleberry.com. And this is Metaphone. And then I have my essential oil. And if you see the value in this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will leave the recipe for this herb garden body butter down in the link below. So thank you for joining me. Have a great day.